Hey guys, welcome back. This is Mr. Jesse here at the Westside Boys and Girls Club. If you guys haven't had a chance to go check out our virtual guide on our website, please do so. Some of you guys should have already started your Zoom sessions with your guys' club directors. But if you guys haven't, you guys should go join us, join the sessions. We're helping you guys with a lot of fun activities. We're also providing you guys with a lot of fun activities on our website that you guys can do on a daily basis. So if you guys haven't checked it out, check it out and make sure when you guys go on your Zoom sessions, you give your guys' directors a shout out for working hard on those activities that they're providing you guys with, all right? Today we're gonna do a quick fun activity. It's a do-it-yourself basketball challenge. All right guys, a few things you guys need for this activity. All you guys need is a basket that can be made out of a laundry basket, a trash can from your home. You guys can make a blanket, make a circle, whatever you guys need to use to make a basket. Get that from your house, set it up. All right, that's what I'm gonna be using. I'm using a trash can from the club. The next thing you'll need is a ball. If you guys have a ball at home, a small ball, you guys can use a small ball. I'll be using a dodgeball from the club. If you guys don't have a dodgeball, you guys don't have a small ball that fits in your guys' basket, you guys can make balls. If your parents are okay with it, you guys can make balls out of paper towels, whatever you guys have at home, right? You guys can roll up a blanket, anything you guys want that can be used as a throwing object or a basket, all right? Third thing you guys need is something to mark distance from your basket, all right? I'm gonna be using 3 cones, so that's what I'll be using. So anything you guys can use a sock, a shoe, anything at home, go ahead and grab that, all right? All right, guys. So the purpose of this activity is to try and get to 20 points. If you guys have a sibling at home, if your parents are home with you guys, anyone who's at home with you guys, try this out with them. It'll be a lot more fun if you have more people competing against each other. Trust me, do it with someone at home if you have the opportunity to. If not, you can do it by yourself. That is totally okay as well. So we have our basket. What you're gonna do is you're gonna use whatever you're doing to mark your spots and your shots. You're gonna put them at 3 different distances. This is my first cone, my second cone, and my third cone is the yellow cone, all right? What we're gonna do is we are going to assign each cone a different point value. So my first cone is the closest to my basket, so that's gonna be worth 1 point. My second cone is gonna be worth 2 points, and my third cone is going to be worth 3 points. Keep this in mind when you guys are starting this activity. If you guys have enough space, you guys can challenge yourself and spread the cones as far as possible as you want, as long as you're able to make some baskets, all right? If you want to keep shooting all 1 points, that's totally fine. But challenge yourself. Try and get some 3-pointers in there as well. The object of the game is to get to 20 points, all right? 20 points. So if you're challenging someone at home, you're going to challenge them to 20 points, all right, guys? Different ways that you guys can modify this. You guys can put a timer on to see who gets to 20 the quickest. You guys can have a shot clock. You guys can take turns taking a shot. You guys can shoot at the same time. You guys can do whatever you guys want to modify it and make it as fun and entertaining as possible for you guys. So I'm going to show you guys an example of what you should be doing. If you have a ball, whatever you guys are using, you're going to step at your shot. You take a shot. If you make it, bam, you got 1 point, all right? So I'm going to take a step back, go for 2 points. So I have 1 point right there. Oh, I made it. That's 1 plus 2. That's 3 points, all right? Remember, you're trying to get to 20 points, so I have 3. That means I need 17 points to go to finish the challenge. If I want to shoot a 3-pointer, oh, unlucky, all right? We'll go again. Bam, that's 3 points. So where am I at? For all you guys at home, 3 plus 3 equals 6, so I need 14 more points to go, all right? And that's how you get this game going. So make sure you guys challenge people at home. If you guys can't challenge anyone, challenge yourself. If it's too easy, if it's too close, you guys can always modify the distance, get it going, get fun, and get active. All right, guys, before we head out though, I want to make sure, if you guys haven't watched the last video, in our last video, I gave you guys Mr. Jesse's challenge. You guys had 2 minutes to see how many sit-ups you guys can do in 2 minutes, how many push-ups you guys can do in 2 minutes, and how many jumping jacks you guys can do in 2 minutes, all right? So, today after this activity, when you get to your 20 points, as many times as you wanna try that, before you're done doing any of your physical activity, I want you guys to go back to that challenge and try and beat your score from the previous week, all right? You guys should time yourselves for 2 minutes to see how many sit-ups you guys can do. You guys should time yourselves another 2 minutes for push-ups and another 2 minutes for jumping jacks. Make sure you guys keep track of this, and when you guys come onto your Zoom sessions next week with me or your club directors, you guys can share you guys' scores, and every week try and improve on that score, guys, all right? Thank you guys for tuning in again. We'll see you guys next video.